Alright, so I already talked a little bit about the founding of your nation. And you've tied me to my mic stand. Thank you. So that was definitely apropos of nothing. Here's the thing. Our nation was founded by puritanical assholes. But whether, I mean, I'm not, well, let's not get into my personal beliefs. All I'm saying is I come from God people, okay? And you, clearly, as evidenced by your ruckus behavior, your horrid mistreatment of the environment, and the hotness of your women, you very clearly come from thieves. Rapscallions, I mean, you are, you know, crooks, which is pretty awesome, I guess, but OK Go has come to save you, is all I'm trying to say. It may not look like it from the outside, but we have God pouring forth from our souls. And you poor heathen scum. Australia, we are here to lift you by your bootstraps into wherever the Lord puts people. I don't know, I guess we can't go straight to heaven, that would be killing everybody, right? So, into grace. Jeff Buckley style, motherfuckers. And the way we propose to save you is by playing your song now entirely on the instrument that God himself invented, the handbells. Shut up, fuckers. This is the new Sunday. Come on in, sweetie pie, out of apple has some light. Leave your friend, righteous and pathetic, standing out the door. On the books, all your bets, favorite headbands and cassettes, cigarettes, suffragettes, and boy, what to do? Sweetheart, to find mediocre people do exceptional things all the time. Oh, and well, in your talented mind, could have been a genius if you had an extra grind. What to do? What to do? When that day finally nears, you'll at least have made it clear that compassion is just a nicer way of looking down your nose. Seems that all the people want to do is crop the streets of Amsterdam. They'll pull it too, but the bulls have already come and gone and mellowed out their love. What to do? Mediocre people do exceptional things all the time. Oh Lord, when well in your talented mind, could have been a genius if you had an extra blood. what to do.
Yesterday I was actually honestly misunderstood when I said Facebook, and someone said, "Oh, you mean Facebook?" Tonight, this picture is going to go on Facebook. So go on there and you can click on yourself and be like, "That's me! I'm not criminal."